this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. Today we are in collaboration with Creative Nails, that Korean nail designs, and I had. So we're going to dive in. We're going to be doing some Christmas sweater stamping on this plate here from Born Pretty. Get that out of the way. This is plate Born Pretty Christmas L003, and I think it's perfect to do Christmas sweaters with. This is prints that you would see on a Christmas sweater. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do a few different colors. We're going to do white, periwinkle, brown, and green, all opaque sticky stamping polish by SheModern. I have the small bottles. I have a few of the bigger bottles of the black, white, gold, and silver. Oh, we should have done something. We should do something in silver. Next week. So we're going to dive in with, we're going to do the pinky nail first. We're going to do the present, which I want to do in opaque red, which is right here. Oh, let me get myself set up here a little bit better. There we go. Low and slow. Let your stamper do the work. Not you. This is a perfect pickup. Perfect pickup. Now to line it up correctly on the nail. Here we go. We have ourselves a present. Now I want to try something. I don't do this. Whoopsie. I want to get my sparkling cherry red glitter pixie. And I want to put that over and, whoopsie. Just want to dab it on. I hope it doesn't stick to the polish. Shoot. I knew I should have top coated first. Oy vey. So yeah, we won't be using the glitter. Trial and error. I forgot to top coat. It wasn't part of the plan. I was just, jumping in, thinking ahead of myself, outside of the box. So next, we are going to do the. As you see, I did the ring finger, or the ring finger already. My bling. I think that's pretty colors, don't you? The middle finger, we are going to do the snowman. Well, that was close. We were doing the periwinkle and the white. I'm going to stamp sideways, or scrape sideways, I mean. There we go. Whoopsie. Oh. Let's hope we get a good pickup of this. Let me see here. Oh, we do. We got a great pickup. Not sure how well this is going to show up here. Okay, there we go. Can't see it too well. You're not happy. I'm not happy. Index finger, we are going to put the Christmas tree in green. I'm loving this plate. I think it is really super cute. I've never used it before, so this is a first. Here we go with our Christmas tree. And our thumbnail, which is what I'm going to be doing the brown. We'll do the deer here. Oops. Now I'll try the snow and white. Snow and white. There we go. Beautiful pickup. Oh, I can't see how it's supposed to go now. Hold on, please. Okay, take this off here. I couldn't see. I've got my ring light on. And sometimes it makes it harder for me to see. So here we go. This is a boo-boo, unfortunately. Trial and error, trial and error. Whatever. Oopsie. Okay, we are back. We are going to top coat our nails now. I am going to use iGel Beauty's No Wipe Top Coat because I want a glossy. I know SheModern has their own. I'm kind of limited on that. So I'm going to use the iGel Beauty, which I have plentiful of. Slide it over the stamping with gel. This is a sticky stamping polish, but I am top coating with gel. Ooh, that was a lot. You don't have to have a sealer with lacquer. You do. And no smearing, no smudging with gel. So I'm going to pop this in. Remove some of these. Pop her in the lamp, give her a full 60-second cure, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp, fully cured. I like the way it turned out. I know this one is so faint with the white. I'm sorry, it was trial and error on this manicure. See, I mean, I was looking for contrast, but it didn't work too well there on any of them, really. They're so faint. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Christmas sweater and manicure for today. I'm sorry, I'm always going around. But please leave me a comment down below. Be kind. Be kind. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any videos, giveaways, or anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.